Guys, so in this help video I'd like to look at the question: you have formulated a clear and focused research question with its relevance explained. So it could look like this: the artworks name the artwork and name the other artwork by the artist shows the culture and important events of the place in, well, you need to know which year that artwork is talking about. So let's take the example of the Picasso piece of work that we looked at. So we know this shows the Sinchon massacre, and we know that is in the 1950s. So straight away we know it's in Korea. I think we found out that this talked about events quite close to Seoul, and we know that it was 1950. We know from our research as well that the Americans took part in this massacre, and in this picture we can see the Americans fighting against the South Koreans. So we know that there was a massacre there. So already we know that there was a significant event. Now Picasso was very upset about this, and he didn't like to see those sorts of things going on. So to dig down a little bit further to that, it may be useful to have side-by-side pictures. So here we can see the artwork itself and a North Korean propaganda poster. And in this propaganda poster, it actually features a scared North Korean child, I think hugging the waist of maybe his dad. And then we got an American soldier, and you can see the American soldier in that picture looking quite aggressive, I think. Maybe it's a South Korean soldier, but there's certainly a soldier in there that is trying to kill the children. So you can see this parallel, this link between the North Korean propaganda poster and the piece of artwork. Again, focusing on the artwork, we can see that we've got the soldiers, and here is a picture of the American soldiers in Korea during the Korean War. So this helps us to understand the place and space and time. So we can see clearly in this picture you've got the American soldiers on the hill in Korea, and you can see that represented in the artwork. So having side-by-side pictures really helps. Finally, newspapers can be really useful. So here we can see a newspaper from Nashville. It's about the Korean War, and it's about Red Koreans invading the South, so the North Koreans invading the South of Korea. So having this newspaper article again helps us to understand why this is an important piece of artwork and how it shows the culture of the time, what was going on at the time and where. So I hope this video has helped you to think about how you can actually show the significance of the artwork and how it attempts to show how the artwork could be seen as showing the culture or what was going on at that particular time and exactly when.